Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add General Adventure in Evony. To add a General Adventure in Evony, start by opening the Adventure mode from the game menu. Once you're inside, you'll see the list of available generals in the bottom right corner. Only generals you've already unlocked can be used in Adventure. When you're ready, tap the attack button and select the stage you want to play. After selecting a stage, the game will show the generals you can bring into battle. To add or remove a general, simply tap the icon in the lineup. If a general is already selected, tapping them again will remove from the formation. You can also rearrange your generals by choosing who you want to place in the lineup, which usually fills starting from the top left slot. Make sure to choose generals that match your strategy and stage difficulty before starting the battle. That's how you add generals to Adventure in Evony. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.